Hey guys, on today's quick tip Q&A, we're going to show you how to pair your wireless CarPlay or Android Auto to your new NEX device that has wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. First thing you want to do is go into the gears, scroll down to where it says demo mode, and turn that off. Now if you're on an Apple device, if the device has ever been plugged into the radio, meaning you got it right away and you went ahead and were like, hey, I just want to see CarPlay wired and then I'll figure it out. What you're going to want to do is go into General CarPlay and scroll down to where you see it says 4500. If it's not there, you're golden. But if it is, go ahead and delete it. To do that, select on it and forget this car, and it'll kick it out. Next, on both devices, go ahead and go to your Bluetooth and pair to the radio. Select allow. Once you're paired over Bluetooth, select your home icon, and over here in the corner you'll see a phone icon. Now it's going to go ahead and search for your device, and what you're doing is you're pairing to it through Bluetooth so that it will pass the recognition over for Wi-Fi. Go ahead and select your phone. It'll come over and say, would you like to use this for CarPlay? It'll also do the same for Android Auto. Select use. And now you're connected. One thing to note about Android Auto is on select phones only, whereas iPhones are going to be on any iPhone. So if you're having a hard time with Android Auto, go to androidauto.com and check and see if your phone supports wireless version of it. If not, you can always plug into USB 2 and do it over USB. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you later next time. Bye.